Hi everyone, it's me, Asawang Filipina, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, anyway, for today's video, I'm on the way to the city right now, and then for now is I'm gonna use this loafer shoe because there's also some viewers, subscribers who wants to see me or wants to see me using the loafers. So I'm gonna use this one on the way to the city, and then later on uphill driving I'm gonna use some sandals. So come with me and let's go. So for today's vlog is we're gonna use the white shoes. So I'm gonna show you the white shoes I have. So well, okay, let's go. Seat belt, foot brake. So we're leaving now, and the good thing for this angle is you can see my foot. So right there. So first is we're gonna rev. So it means that we're ready to go. So go, drive, brake down, brake left, and just drive. So the difference this time is and of course we have to check for the still working. All is set. So brake. So we have to rev the engine first before we go. Brake, drive, brake down, brake left, let's go. So press the pedal very hard if you are overtaking, and now I'm just checking sometimes my foot when I look down because I want to make sure that, oh my gosh, there's another sun. There's another sun. So there's more sun. So slow down and wear the sunglasses and let's pump the pedal. So finally we're back. It takes time for the car to put the kind of edge design. I asked what's the name, but I don't really get it. But of course, you know, it's the edge from the edge for the car. Driving descending, descend.